Indeed, my appearance here is to signal to you my unyielding commitment to serve you as always as your member of parliament. On this occasion, Ghana couldn't have picked a more auspicious theme for this year's celebration, which theme is building prosperity, restoring our hopes. Mr. Chairman, just a couple of years ago, precisely about 8 years ago, under the previous administration, we witnessed very escalating macroeconomic indicators. We all can address our minds to the escalating inflationary trend of 54%. We all recall the exchange rate. This cascaded, of course, into severe economic difficulty and, of course, lowered our standard of living and heightened our cost of living. And so today, the theme couldn't have been more appropriate, which is to build prosperity for our people. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is ready, poised, and humble to serve you, to invest in you, give you opportunity, and to build today and tomorrow into a prosperous nation. And so we all know all the flagship interventions of government, right from Feed Ghana, Grow Ghana. I expect us, as citizens of this country, to join him and other state and non-state actors in order to ensure that this dream comes into fruition. Indeed, we in Afadjato South have reason to celebrate. And I want to use this occasion to thank all of you very much. Most importantly, our teachers who have taught us until we got to where we are. Our farmers who have given us the food we have eaten. Every other important person, right from what the living do into what the mortuary man does, we are all involved in building this nation. Chairman, DC, all others concerned, today, a very great menace that is destroying this nation is Galamsey. We in Afadjato are not engaged in that menace. I want to use this occasion to tell us that when we invest in the environment today, we will reap the benefits tomorrow. Our forefathers, over 69 years ago, at the end of independence, gave us a clean, stable environment. We also have more than responsibility to preserve and maintain this environment for posterity. At this age, allow me, as the chief custodian and ambassador of our culture, to shift briefly into a language that our people understand. Togio, Mamao, Obeheduo, Midemona Magloya V. Delebeme, plus Sube Amesia Mesike, Emeton de Suku from a pottery. Asemena. Midedo Asinam Abe Miape MP. Anya Doki Bobo, Plejijo. Belansine Mibe, Epedikaike, Mele Parliament Demiano. Kakeniba Mido Parliament Egbea. Ne Oyo MP Obenko, Ekako Afadjato South Kopereule. The view, Chichio. Amerike Bakpefu, Abe Afiasiwe Ebe LPO. Obe Jamaica Fordokyo. Gakea, Mediwe Man now, Nemia Semebe, a Perikaike Mele Parliament. Gake Parliament, Yanuno Line, Speaker of Parliament, Antoko Botanam. But many MP, the Sikagere, Apiame, Idajasibe, Metro et Donyeple, the Vienna. Eya comme plateau comme jajabe ahun soboga alo ahun vi sike odi e wa ti ato soboga le vi mo boy Togbe mama o mida akpena mi elabena miawe da kone mi ape mi le fi mile abe MPA menye nyenye amenue to o pete la fajato mauba menu bebe ple mi ape megbe dede e ata mezu MPA nene makia mauba menu bebe ple mi ape vote e ya na be dukrola ton duji e otia mi ape momefia alo district chief executive tamia opedo nyebede mi wado na nya mi akpodede eyata abanya memilia madeji pona mi be mmeka heye megbo mitede abanla mitede miao mitede assembly na mi kpoda be de leke mi akplodu ya wa de finani da ke abe NPA eperika ya emele parliament a meton kokoko ne aba eye onam get fan suku do peri wa menne na mi afa senior high school so sikele keke puilo sikegboa mekadeji be senior high school mi atu nkubu wi ho administration and library the senior high school togbe mama o le eya megbe a na mi le district assembly egbe a Nipomo katukoye ye gande meblinyata eye dukrola John Dramani Mahama ena afajato saf district health insurance office yeye dem ya open la mesenta mi akpom ya gbo egbe nenye ba mi le district assembly efe nkume a mi akpo ekpon place gbogbo dawo me ba bia eye aban demegbe na mehenu mave abe ekplon bla elekogble na 3000 akpewa meton zipi ha akpewa meton plus sube miavio makano anyi nglode anyi gba lo makano anyi gba fi anu nglon eyata abanya mille megbenemi midia mi wado ne devinami golokwa tito mianto mi dejesibe le perika ya memilia niva niba dipai ni kwaniba dipai koko ne echie pe koko abe ni ape MPA mekale kodine minister mekale azonyeji bless subele keke mi awebe echileto pipe ma mekaba egbe ne yeba ni de golokwati clinica edosikele amegedile ya nye typhoid echi manyu ezaza eya na typhoid eya tanebe amere na michiko ena miagbe enyento the district chief executive play amebubuwa nyile dowale nu ya ma didiwa echi ato mi ape pipe o me egbe a mi avigele opodo ga kemi nya be gele ha le mepo ha do roman do ha nkeke gele yakoti menye nkeke de kako egbe miko office Ghana sika oyobe environmental protection agency sika meba kokoko nenu no la gan sika amake le Ghana pete le office manua anyi to pa pelika onye le gen tamia vi abewi aton efo de domale fini eye nyento ha meza ganye kojra office edo play office ebedo anu kata egbe ne yebe mi de fire service obe fimia mi akpo environmental protection agency tope office ezube dc sikele duplola tepe a egbonu pogbe nupwa adidita enyamo me poklomle besebedade eyata ma akweza ke hafima wunu a ma ana district director of education neva niavio sikele de macha nipobe onondonu afifiato ta emegbo abemia besubola me play ice cream de kadeka à la fois ma ton benemi maneni avio pete ne obedi me fa ne de sisori dilanyo enonyo etonyo ha no problem le eya megbe a me play maset abe à la fin eton blade 360 be director ni mane JHS Victowe Vafi nenyebe edesiswa ne do classes yo ple class 5 yo bo kemi so eto a happy no john titi kola ni agbo apple bubu akonao ka ple enya beso ya Madibe makapo ne idi akpa o. Beta kwene mi apete abele keke mi demegbenani. Mi ape megbe dedeta bekade jibe mi aduji eye mi aduji godo akpenami.